Alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, my dear brothers and sister. How are you and how is your family? Hope you're doing good. Inshallah, today we will do a new lesson, the new chapter, new kind of letter. Alright, so we're going to start now. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. The new lesson about echo sound letters. Okay, I told you before there are some kinds of letters: whistle letters, bold letters, thick letters. Okay, sun letters, moon letters. These are kinds of letters. Now we did. Inshallah, we are going to do now the the echo sound letters, the bouncing letters. Okay, in Arabic terms, Qulqala letters. Okay, so my dear, the echo sound letters are five. Echo sound letters are five: Qaf, Twa, Ba, Jim, and Dal. Alright, there are five letters which is called echo sound. Qaf, bold Qaf, okay? And then Twa, look, this is Twa, and this is Qaf, alright? And Ba and Jim Dal, right? Ba, Jim, and Dal. Qaf, Twa, Ba, Jim, Dal. If you're going to memorize these five letters, you can memorize with that one word like Kutubu Jaddin. Kutubu Jaddin. Qaf, Twa, Ba, Kutubu, and Jim, Dal, Jaddin, right? Qaf, Twa, Ba, Kutubu, and Jaddin, Jim, Dal, Fat. So these are bouncing letters, okay? Bouncing mean if you're going to hit a ball on the wall, so your the wall is back to you. So same act here, same rule are here apply when you read the sound, and the voice of sound is back. Okay, so we're going to start. There are a lot of example I'm going to read. Okay, so one more thing, when there is echo sound, when they have qaf to ba jim dal have a fatha sign like this. Look, this is ba, and the sign is the sign is jazm. This sign is called sukoon. This sign is called jazm. Okay, if you have this sign and you have ba, it's be bouncing. When you have this sign, okay, sukoon sign, jazm sign, and the letter is jim, and when you have dal and the sign is jazm, okay, and when you have la dal and sign is jazm, when you have ta, the sign is jazm. Okay, so these five letters I'm going to read. Hamza, Hamza, ba, fatha, ab. Now look, ab, b. This sound is back. This is called echo sound. This is called bouncing letter. Okay, you don't say ab. If you say ab, this is wrong. You say ab. Okay, one more thing, if you have a color book, the color is sky color, the blue color, that it's mean these kind of letters, the blue letters is related to echo sound letters, are Qulqala letters, are bouncing letters. Okay, so go now read. I'm reading. Hamza ba fatha ab, Hamza ba kasra ib, Hamza ba kasra ib, and Hamza ba dhamma ub. Ab, ib, ub. Ab, ib, ub. If you say ab, ib, ub, that is wrong. Okay, dear? Look now, the next one. This is ta. Ta is not from bouncing. Okay? So, Hamzata fata at, Hamzata kasra it, Hamzata zamma ut, at, it, ut. This is simple. Okay? You don't say at, it, ut, because ta is not bouncing. Okay, dear? Next one, Hamzatha fatha ath, Hamzatha kasra ith, Hamzatha damma uth, ath, ith, uth, ath, ith, uth. Okay, clear? It's very easy. So these are the small parts. So when you go to after two pages, there is a lot of example of bouncing letter. Okay, inshallah we will discuss. Right now you understand the sound. Okay, now look, the jim is bouncing. Hamza jim fatha aj. Okay, it's not aj, it's aj. Hamza jim kasra ij, Hamza Jim Damma Oj. Aj, Ija, Oj. Okay? Next, Ha is simple, not bouncing. Hamza Ha Fatha Ah. Hamza Ha Kasra Ih. Hamza Ha Dhamma Uh. Ah, Ih, Oh. Clear? Next one is Kha. Hamza Kha Fatha Ah. Ah. Hamza Kha Kasra Ih. Hamza Kha Dhamma Uh. Ah, Ich, Oh. Ah, Ich, Oh. Next, Hamza Dal Fatha Ad. Hamza Dal Kasra Ida. Now Dal is bouncing, okay? Dal is echo sound letter. Ad. Hamza Dal Kasra Ida. Hamza Dal Dhamma Oda. It's going to be now. Ad, Ida, Od. Ad, Ida, Od. Alright? Dal. Hamza Dal Fatha Ad. Hamza Dal Kasra Id. Hamza Dal Dhamma Ud. Ad, Id, Ud. Ad, Id, Ud. Ad, Id, Ud. Okay, dear? We're going to the next one. This is Ra. So Ra is bold letter. You can see the color is green. I told you the green color is related to bold. Okay? And green is bold, and the sky or blue color is bouncing echo letters. Okay? Echo sound letter. Hamza Ra Fatha Ar. Hamza Ra Kasra Ir. Now look, my dear. So Ra is bold when you have before letter have Fatha. And the Ra is thick when the before letter have a Kasra sign. Okay? Look, this is Kasra sign. And the Ra is not bold. The color is black. This thick one. You say Ir. Ir. You don't say Ir. You say Ir. It is wrong. Okay? Not Ur. Okay? It's simple. Ir. Ir. Not Ir. Okay? It's not bold. It's thick. Hamza Ra Kasra Ir. Now Ra is bold. Hamza Ra Dhamma Ur. Become Ar. Ir. Ur. Ar. Ir. Ur. Ar. Ir. Ur. Okay? Understand? Next one. Hamza Za Fatha Az. Hamza Za Kasra Iz. Hamza Za Dhamma Uz. Az is Uz. Az is Uz. Alright? We're going on the next page. There are some more letters which is from bouncing. Okay? I'm reading. Hamza Sin Fatha As. Hamza Sin Fatha As. Hamza Sin Kasra Is. Hamza Sin Dhamma Us. Going. It's become As is Us. As is Us. Now Sheen. Hamza Sheen Fatha Ash. 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 Hamza Sheen Kasra Ish. 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 Hamza Sheen Dhamma Ush. 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 Become Ash. Ish. Ush. Ash. Ish. Ush. Now Swad is bold. Hamza Swad Fatha As. 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 Hamza Swad Kasra Is. 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 Hamza Swad Dhamma Us. As is Us. As is Us. Next. Hamza Dad Fatha Ad. Ad. Hamza Dad Kasra Id. Hamza Dad Kasra Id. Hamza Dad Dhamma Ud. Ad. Id. Ud. Ad. Id. Ud. Now look, brother, I told you Twa is from the bouncing or echo sound. Look, this is Twa. And the sign, the sakin is here is blue. Okay? So Twa is from bouncing. So Twa is also bold letter. The color is green. Okay? The green letter is bold letters. Okay? So Twa is belong to two category. One is bold. The second one is echo sound. Okay? So how we read it? Hamza Ta Fatha Atu. 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 In the Quran, you say إن بطش 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 إن بطش ربك لشديد. So battle, أطو okay. همزة طا كسرة إطو and همزة طا ضمة أوتو أوتو. It's not at it. Clear, my dear? So is أوتو alright. Next, همزة ضا فتحة همزة ضا كسرة همزة ضا دمة alright. So now you need to practice. You can read with start from al hamza with ba, hamza with ta, hamza with sa. You can read with every letter, okay. So you practice again and again and again, especially when you have a bouncing letter. So there are 5 bouncing letter: qaf, ta, ba, jim and dal. Okay, when it's work when the ta have a sakin sign, then it's work. When ta have a sakin sign, when qaf have a sakin sign. So these bouncing letter, when they have sakin sign, that at that time you bounce it, otherwise no bouncing. Okay, if ta have a fatha, no bouncing. If ta have a zamma, no bouncing. Okay, my dear. So just you need to remember that one. So you practice this one, inshallah. And the next class, if we will discuss the next video, the next lesson. There are some example, the exercise of bouncing letter we will do in the next class. Okay, if you have any question, you can put a comment, okay, and I will answer you, inshallah. All right, take care. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.